What's going on, guys? My name is Lindy, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 ways that you can make $200 per day online. Now, these are some sites that you probably already use every single day, but you're not leveraging them in order to earn some money. So I'm going to share that with you in this video. Now, also check out the content and then leave a comment below. Let me know which strategy that you want to go ahead and try for yourself. And anything that I cover in this video, I'm going to include in the show notes in the description box below this video. That's also going to give you additional resources that's going to help you if you decide to choose one of these strategies in order to earn some extra cash. And if you like anything that I cover in this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So the first website that I want to cover is ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a website or a marketplace where we can actually find products that have been created by other people, and we can actually promote these products in order to earn some affiliate commissions, pretty much. And on this website, as you guys can see here, they have a wide variety of different categories, anywhere from cooking, gaming, wine, food, home and garden, and things like that. And a benefit of this particular website is that they offer low-cost products. Now, this strategy is going to be good because the website that we're actually going to use in order to make sales on this website, so that way you can earn $200 per day, is TikTok. Now, TikTok, everybody is on TikTok. They have the attention right now. And you can leverage TikTok in order to create short videos to drive traffic to whatever product that you found on ClickBank. And another benefit of this is you do not have to show your face in these videos on TikTok. You can just create videos that just have text in the videos, and you can upload those to TikTok, and you can send people from your videos to the link in your bio that's going to include the link to the product that you have found on ClickBank. So let's go ahead and choose a actual niche, and let's choose like the spirituality new age niche. Now, in this particular niche, that's going to encompass numerology, manifestation, affirmations, and things like that. And what you want to do is once you come over here, you're going to find some products that you could promote. You're going to choose one of these products, you're going to click on promote, and it's going to give you a link that's going to be tracked to you. So anybody that clicks on that link and they earn a sale, you will earn a commission, and ClickBank will actually pay you out. Now, a good example of a channel that's doing this already is called Mastering Affirmations. I talked about this channel, this TikToker on this channel before, and what you can see is that they have nothing but videos with just text on the videos, and they're just sending people to the link in their bio. And if somebody was to click on the link in their bio on TikTok, he has several different links where they can go. He can go to his YouTube channel, and then also they can go to any product or service that he is selling that's regarding about affirmations. You just want to mimic what's already working, drive traffic to your TikTok by creating these text-based videos to the offer that you found on ClickBank, and that's how you're going to be able to make sales every single day. So the next strategy that I want to share with you is YouTube. So I have been a YouTuber for quite some time, and I can definitely tell you that it's one of the best ways that you can actually earn some money online. And with YouTube, you can leverage it in multiple ways. You can earn money from YouTube AdSense. You can promote your own products and services and things like that as well. You can also leverage it for affiliate marketing. But in this example, I'm going to talk about the AdSense portion of this. And what you want to do is you want to create a channel that's in a high CPM niche. A high CPM niche examples would be make money online, e-commerce, stocks, trading, real estate, investing. Those are high CPM niches where you can actually earn more per 1,000 views for every video that you upload. And a prime example of a channel definitely crushing with this is Graham Stephan. If you follow him, you know that he's in the investing, the real estate niche, and he actually earns anywhere from $1 million or a few $1,000,000 per year simply from AdSense. That's not including any other business ventures that he has. And yes, that's an extreme version, but I just want to let you guys know what is possible if you were to do this. And again, because he has a high CPM niche, he's actually earning thousands of dollars every single day from his YouTube channel just from AdSense, guys, okay? So once you have chosen a high CPM niche, you want to create content and upload videos at least 3 times per week. And the reason why you want to do this is because this will help you to get monetized sooner, right? And once you get monetized from YouTube, any video that you have created before you got monetized, and again, any future videos that you create, you can start to earn from YouTube AdSense. And now the type of videos that you want to create are things that people are already searching for in that niche. So you want to go to YouTube, you want to go to the search engine, you want to insert any keywords that are related to whatever niche that you have chosen, And YouTube is going to populate with search terms that people are already searching for. You want to jot those down and you want to create content around those videos. And that's going to help you to get more views to your videos, help you to get searched, and also meet the requirements for you to become a AdSense member and you can start earning from YouTube. And then also for every video that you are creating, you're also going to be able to earn more and more money from that video in the long term. So the more content you create, the better. Now the next website that I want to share with you is called Warrior Plus. And I've talked about this particular website on my channel before. And again, this is a marketplace where they have different products that are created by affiliate marketers or people who are in the make money online niche. And what you want to do is you want to create a free account on warriorplus.com. And then once you have done that, you're going to see a list of different products that are the top products on the website. So they show you the top products for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. Now this is important because these particular products are the ones that people are actively searching for, that are actively generating the most sales on the website at that time. So you want to get some free screen recording software. You go to screencast-o-matic.com and they have a free 15-minute video recorder that you can use, and you just want to record short review videos on the products that you find that are listed as the top products. And you want to upload those videos to YouTube, and you want to insert your affiliate link for these products in the description box below the video. And again, in the resources, I'm going to share with you how you can actually apply for affiliate links, how to get approved for those affiliate links, so that way you can promote these videos on YouTube. And what you want to do is you just want to choose one of these particular products, and it's going to take you to the sales page. And what you want to do is you just want to record your screen, let people know what the product is, the benefits, the features, why they need the product, and also how much the product costs. And then again, you want to include your affiliate link in the description box below the video. And then you just want to give the video a simple name. You want to give the video the name of the product plus review. So your video will be called Fast Commission Generator Review. And you want to do this. This is exactly what I did when I first got started with affiliate marketing. I just recorded videos of the screen page using Screencast-O-Matic, and I was able to earn my first $1,500 online simply by doing video reviews of sales pages of products that I found on Warrior Plus. And the more you do this, you have the opportunity to actually earn thousands of dollars every single month simply by doing reviews of products. Now, the next way that I want to share with you is through Facebook groups. And you can leverage Facebook groups in two ways in order to earn at least $200 per day. And the first way you can do this is by creating your own niche Facebook group. So if we were to keep with the same example as we found with the product on ClickBank, and we chose this numerology project, and we chose this numerology product, we can come over to Facebook, create a group about numerology. And as you guys can see here, there's a wide variety of different groups already on Facebook that are all about numerology. This group has 17,000 members. This group has 120,000 members. And you can create a group, and you just want to grow that group to include people who want to know more about numerology, New Age, spirituality, manifestation. And you, inside of that group, you just want to put content in that group, letting people know about numerology. You can do, about repeating numbers, whatever it is. If you're in the real estate niche, create a group about real estate, and you can share things inside of that group about real estate, about buying your first home, whatever niche or whatever group that you want to whatever group you want to create, just create content that's going to be related to that niche. And then occasionally you want to create a sales post where if people want to know more information about numerology, you include your link to the ClickBank product. And it's the same thing with any other niche that you choose to promote. Now that's one way. The second way that you can do this is simply by joining some of these Facebook groups, reaching out to the group admin and asking them if you can do a promotion inside of that group. Some of them will allow you to do it for free. Some of them will ask that you pay a small fee in order for you to advertise in front of their audience. And just imagine if you just paid a small fee and you promoted that numerology product to this group right here that has over 120,000 members. Do you think you can get a few sales out of that group? Right? And the more consistent you are with this, the more you can possibly earn with this strategy. So those are two ways that you can actually leverage Facebook groups in order to earn $200 per day. And the last thing that I want to share with you is Marketplace. Now, I have created videos on this channel in the last 2 weeks about how to get started with the Facebook Marketplace. And the particular strategy that we're going to use with the Marketplace is the drop shipping strategy. So what we're doing with this strategy is that we're going to websites like Walmart.com. We're finding best-selling products that we can actually sell onto Marketplace, that we can actually list on Marketplace. And if somebody buys that product, we're going to take some of that money to go to Walmart, back to Walmart, buy the product for that customer, send it to that customer, and whatever's left over, we're going to put in our pockets. That's the watered down version of drop shipping. And again, I have included a video on my channel where it's going to share with you step by step how to actually find products on Walmart and various websites, and how to actually list that product onto Facebook Marketplace so that way you can earn sales. And the more products that you list, you have more opportunity to earn more money. And in my first weekend of actually doing Facebook Marketplace drop shipping, I actually earned over $300 simply by listing items onto Marketplace. So make sure you go in the description box below this video, get those show notes, because it's going to take you directly to that video that's going to break everything down for you. So in this video, I share with you 5 ways that you can make $200 per day online. Now also leave a comment below. Let me know which strategy that you are wanting to try that I have shared with you in this video. And if you want to know more information on how to make money online, side hustles, and things like that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.